Hey friends, if you wish to remove metadata in an Excel spreadsheet, then please watch this video. It's quite easy. So we have a document here, an Excel sheet. Click on File, select Info, click on Check for Issues and you'll find Inspect Document here. Now click on it. Ideally, the document inspector will open. If not, just click on No. Don't click on Yes, click on No. Now this information here is the metadata and these are the tags which go along with the Excel sheet. So there are a lot of them. If you wish to remove them one by one, you can do that. For example, all the comments, you wouldn't want other people to know about it except for the administrator. So you can simply uncheck the ones which you don't need. Okay. So I'm like selecting all of them, but you can choose what all you want to do and then click on inspect and then they are all gone. And now the ones which are left are the ones which were checked, which were not unchecked. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.